I tracked my life for over 100 days straight. And in this video, I'll show you the systems that I used, how I changed my habits, my focus, and most importantly, the surprising lessons that I learned. Before I started this experiment, my days were kind of chaotic. I thought I was busy, but I couldn't answer this one simple question. Where is my time going? Like I used to open my laptop, I used to put in a lot of work, but at the end of the day or end of the month, I had nothing to show up for it. Like I had no results. And that was because I used to put in my energy and focus in so many different things that it just wasn't enough to get me results in one particular thing or any particular thing in matter. And so on May 28th, 2025 is when I decided to track my life for the next 100 days. So here's what I did. Firstly, I planned out my top 3 goals for the next 5 years. So I used this goal planner to clearly define my goals and also define the actions that I'm going to take to complete that goal. Then I chose about 5 to 6 habits that I'm going to do every single day that is going to get me closer to any one of those top 3 goals. And then it was time to create the Notion tracker. I spent many hours building this tracker. So there's a habit card, there's analytics, there's a graph view, there's a task tracker, basically a to-do list. There are life zones, the goals that I want to achieve, and there's also challenges, basically milestones to achieve that goal. Once I had all of this set, it was time to do this for the next 100 days. Here's what 100 days of data looks like. You can literally see my productivity curves, my off days, my best days, and it's like a mirror to see how I live. And you can literally see the growth in the first few days. And then the graph fluctuates between 86%, 71%, and a very few bad days, which is around 57%. And this is when I realized that this is what consistency is. People think that consistency is doing 100% of a task every single day. It's not really like that. Because real life, there's some kind of noise, some kind of distraction. Every day is not going to be perfect. So your graph will fluctuate. And by the way, I'm not saying this because my graph looks like that. I read it from a book called The Compound Effect. He talks about how every day cannot be perfect and you just have to give your 100% for that particular day, and that 100% can vary between days. And if you want to know more about this book, I've made a separate detailed video sharing all of the lessons that I learned from that book. So you can click this I button here and watch it over there. Coming back to the tracker, we have the analytics section. So you can see for every habit, what is the kind of intensity or consistency that I have in those 100 days. So firstly, we have 2 threads posts. I initially started with 2 posts, but now I do around 6 to 8 posts a day. And I've done this every single day for 100 days, and that's why it says 100%. Next, we have YouTube content learning. This could be YouTube or threads. It's basically content creation learning, and this is around 78%. This is because I started doing this a little later. I think around day 20 or day 25 is when I actually started this, and hence why it's 78. But once I started it, I did it every single day. Then we have reading. So I read Compound Effect, Psychology of Money, Build Don't Talk. Then there is How to Win Friends and Influence People, Atomic Habits, and few other books as well. And I also made handwritten notes on that. So if you want to get access to those notes, you can check the link in the description. I'll be providing it to you. And that is around 98%. Then we have banana shake plus eggs. This is basically for protein. So that's around 98%. And lastly, we have communication skills. Again, this is a habit that I developed after day 15 or day 20. So it's 92%. But once I started doing it, I did it every single day. You can also see the goals that I achieved after 100 days of staying consistent, which is 500 followers on Threads. I hit more than that. 100 plus subscribers on YouTube. I read Atomic Habits, Compound Effect. I stayed consistent for 3 months, which is what this video is about. And as I said, I hit more than 1,000 followers on Threads. And I also got over 1 million views in the last 30 days on Threads. So you can see the analytics here. And on this side, I used to work on my digital products as well. So you can see my Gumroad analytics here. Here on the life zone sections, we can also see the goals. So I have the first goal for Compound Effect, basically the consistency. So if I click on it, you can see how many goals I have and how many I've completed. And currently I'm at level 2. I've also used the calendar app on my iPad to time block every day, so here's what it looks like. You can clearly see how I time block every single task for the day, from waking up to planning for the next day and sleeping. So before I sleep, I plan and time block every task for the next day. And here you can see how I managed to do all of my tasks even though I was on a family trip for over a day. And this is what real life looks like. There are days where I'm fully focused and fully beating all of my tasks. And there are also days where I have to go out for something important or maybe for family reasons. Like here, I had to go meet my sister because she was sick and she was admitted. So life throws few situations at you. You just have to know how to handle them well and manage your time accordingly. So this is how my 100 days look like. If you want access to the Notion tracker and other resources, you can check out the link in the description and in the pinned comments. I provided a lot of resources regarding productivity, consistency and discipline. So please make sure to check that out. It's very valuable. And I also have this small community of like-minded people. So if you're between the age 16 to 24, it's an amazing place. You can just join, hang out. If you're building a startup, a business, a project, you can just come into the group, share your ideas, share your thoughts, just surround yourself with that kind of energy and with that like-minded set of people. Also, if you want to know more about consistency, discipline, and how I use ChatGPT and AI to boost my productivity, you can click here and watch this video. I talk in detail about how I use ChatGPT to actually increase my productivity and build that consistency. So I highly recommend you to watch this video. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.